For those who want to fund our account by ourselves, this video will get us through how to fund your account and activate your account. Specifically for those who want to fund your account for yourself. So for you to get coins, you need to buy a coins USDT, and you can easily use Bybit or Bitget. You can see, right? But we are using Bybit on this account. You can see there's no any fund available on this account right now. You can see the balance here. The total assets is 0.07. So for you to get a coins, you need to go to this P2P area. So click on this P2P. So once you click on the P2P, what you want to do that you want to buy a coins from the market for those who already have coins through P2P. So you are going to select the amount you want. Let us assume you want to buy like 30,000. Let us assume. So you want to fund your account with $11, right? So just click like around 18,000 naira. 18,000 confirm. So you will be able to see the available machine available to sell the coins for you. So the next thing you are going to just pick anyone that is available. Pick anyone like this. Let's assume I want to fund with 30,000. I hope you can see, right? If I fund this account with 30,000, this person will release $18.8 USDT to me, which means that for me to get $18 on this, I need to pay 30,000. So I will click on buy. You can see, right? So you can see that they give me the instruction, the price, the rate in which the person wants to sell it. So I will now click on pay now. So the account of the person that I'm going to pay has been generated for me, but pay attention to this. Make sure you look it very well. Make sure you send the money to the right account. So you can see that this account was name payment service. I need to copy the account. So I need to go to my wallet and transfer it. So I believe every one of us know how to transfer, right? You can see the name of the person, right? But make sure you are very careful. So make sure you cross-check it again. So you can see the name of the person is Muhammad. Okay, we are correct. So we can now continue. So because if you send to the wrong address, you are on your own 30,000, right? So confirm. I believe every one of us know how to transfer. Just a normal transfer way. Yes, after you have transferred the money, the next thing you are going to do, go to the wallet again, click on complete payment. Yes, make sure you pay before you click on confirm so that your account will not be flagged. So you can see the person is going to release, check in your account, immediately send the money, is going to release the money to us. So let's just wait for the person to release the coins. It's going to release the coins for us. Let's just wait. Alright, I hope you can see the coins have been released to us. You can see, right? You can see completed. Sometimes it may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you just click on fill my access. As you can see, the money is already available in our wallet. The next thing we are going to do now, we need to transfer this money to Binance. But before we can transfer this money to Binance, let's convert this money to BNB. We need to convert this coins to BNB first. So let's convert it to BNB. So just click on this convert, click on BNB, just type BNB. Hope you can see, right? So click on the you can click on the maximum, or you click on the amount you want to swap. So if I swap this, what I will receive in BNB. Click on confirm. Just let's wait for you to load to confirm. Yeah, our coins have been converted to BNB. The next thing we are going to do now is for us to transfer this money out. You can see, right? We are going to transfer the money out to our Binance app. For us to transfer the money out, the first thing you are going to do is go and copy your address, your BNB address in Binance. Open your Binance and make sure your Binance app is already verified. So if your Binance app is not verified, it's better you get for those who have already have verified app. So once you open your Binance app, so you can see the balance, right? So we are going to fund this account like this. So you just click on add fund. So click on deposit with crypto. So we are deposit BNB, right? Make sure you choose the right address. Make sure you are very careful here. You want to choose the one you want to transfer into. Make sure you choose the right network. So we are transferring BNB's machine in Ben20. So make sure, and you are going to copy the address like this. So after you copy your address, you are going to go back to your exchange, your Bybit exchange. So after you have copied your address and you have get to your Bybit exchange, the next thing, go to this access. So you are going to withdraw. Click on withdraw. You want to withdraw to Binance. So for you to withdraw, you may type the coins. Your own may not pop up like this. You can easily type it. So because you want to transfer BNB, right? So the address you copy, you are going to see the address here. Just paste it here. So you can see. Right, but you must very careful here. Make sure you choose the right address. So you are choosing Ben20. And you are going to transfer all. Alright. You can see the charges the charges come with you. Click on withdraw. Confirm. You can see our withdrawal is successful. The reason that it's successful like this is that I've already verified this. I've already successful. So the next thing is we want to go and check this money on our Binance. So as you can see, the money is now inflating on our Binance account. You can see, right? So the next thing you are going to do now, we need to transfer this money to our SafePay wallet or any wallet you want to use. So for us to transfer this money to our wallet, so just click on send. So click on withdraw crypto from Binance to exchange. So our wallets. So you are withdrawing BNB, right? So we need to withdraw. So but you must be very careful here. You must be very careful here. So you want to go and copy our address. So go to your safe page. You can see, right? So just click on the wallet you want to receive to. But you must be very careful here. You can see that the one that I copy is OPP You can see, right? BNB OPP is the one you are going to click on it like this. You are going to click on receive. So once you click on receive, this is what the address you want to copy. So make sure you copy this address, copy it like this, and go back to your Binance app. So this is where you must be very careful. So if you want to select network, make sure you select OPP make sure you select OPP okay, right? So select it like this. So how much do you want to deposit? So let's all right. So this amount we want to deposit, click on withdraw, click on confirm. I'll copy my Alright, so the next thing is we're going to check this money on our wallet. So we're going to share it. Sometimes it may take some few minutes before you inflate. So as you can see now, the money have already inflated on our wallet. So for us to confirm it, so you can see, right, this is the amount we transfer. You can see the 0.028 BNB, right? So let's check our wallet. So let's check our wallet. How much did we receive? You can see the amount we received yet is 0.028. You can see, right? You can see the amount we receive. So this is how you can easily fund your account. So I hope for this video not too long. So there will be another video for you to activate your account. So after you have successfully fund your account, the next thing is to activate your account. So in which there is another video for that. And if you come here as an investor after you have funded your account with around $11, the next thing you are going to do is for you to transfer $7 to the leaders in your team. Any leader that is available in your team that wants you to do the position for you. So you need to transfer $7. So the remaining money you will use it to activate your own personal account. I hope you get right. That is it. So for you to avoid making mistake or you don't know how to go around it, so you can easily transfer the money to Naira to a person that can help you to fund it. Any leader that is available in your team. Hope you get right. So that will be all for this video. Not to be too long. So how to activate your account, how to go around the normal stuff, you'll get another video for that. Hope you get right.